So guys, you're really welcome to Ep.5, and I really thank you guys for contributing, learning, and also growing together as well. And for those that have not yet known me, I'm Ep.5, and I document all my journey here. This is new week for our challenge, which is the road to 200k 400 trading profit challenge. So though this week I've already taken a trade in the Monday, no, not Monday, I think on Tuesday, because it is Asian session, yeah. So that's when I take the trade, and that is then against my rules again. But I can't call it fully against my rules because we're already close to the London session, which I feel like the market is really volatile for a peak of my trade. So that's why I really genuine and for me to take that trade by that time. So currently the trade went to SA, and that is fine, and we just have to keep on moving. Right now I'm already on go trade, and I don't know what it's currently doing, which is the reaction is going well though, but based on the news opening and the GBP card news, so we have already noticed that spike on 2 a.m, which is UTC plus time zone, and it is still affected, but because I didn't pay attention to it because that is midnight, and we just have to keep on moving. So this current SOESD trade that is currently going, let me quickly show you guys how it does look like. And the yesterday trade, the midnight trade that went SA, let me show you guys the breakdown and everything. So before I show you guys the trade breakdown in the trading view, let me quickly show you guys our MT5. So this is our MT5 here, and this is our balance, as you can see, 4,750. So before I make this video, our SAS have already hit as the SA, and let's make for today. So these are our 2 SA, as you can see, for today, which is Tuesday, as today makes it Tuesday. And sorry, let me remove this. So this is it, and the Euro USD was on 6:30, as you can see, early morning. I just waked up and placed the limit so that I would not miss out, and thing triggered and spiked our SA. Let me show you guys how it looked like in the charts. So this was the SA here, as you can see. As it triggered, it goes aggressive and spiked our SA. Though this where should I be taking our trade here, this buy trade after confirmation, but I just ignored it, and I set the limit so that I will not get missed out, thinking we have already got into the London session, so the volatility will push markets up. So I ignored using confirmation entry, and this is what market produced this afternoon. Currently it is 5 o'clock, which is London, New York session. And for the SESD trade, this is it, which just happened just now, and these are looking like, as you can see. This is it after a touch. Right now it is currently selling. So I will use my tab to show you guys the breakdown of this trade. Market just this thing, though this market should not be selling from here, but based on the high volatility and USD buying, I know that SAS will follow it and buy, but right now the market has calmed. That is why it's selling and going into its normal direction. So right now I ignore the USD trade, which is sad, and I go for the SASD, and SASD I keep us on 4,750, which I think will remain 250 for our balance for the account to come breach. So that is fine. I understand I have a good more opportunity left, which I keep to my promise. The $50 risk per trade, that is 1% risk per trade, so I cannot go above this. So what thing give me confidence on this is just that I know that one trade that I will take, and when we cover up all these losses, and I will end up in profit, because my RR remain 1/5 RR above, so the least is 1/5. So you times in $50 times 5 is 250, and if I get more it's 300, so bounce back with just one trade. But it is still possible someone can still go in losing trade, still losing 5 more, and that is good. So let me just jump into the chart and show you guys how the trade look like. So right now this is the Euro USD trade, as you can see, and let's quickly go to the 1 hour time frame. So I already know that this is on support level over here, as you can see here. This is on support level, and this is an imbalance market should come and trigger. When this market was here, that is when I spotted this entry. So let me quickly add this. So that is when I spotted this entry, and this is the potential I expected. Something like this. Tapped our zone before the push. So let me show you guys the before, which is this. As you can see, this is the projection, the support level, and for it to break above this zone or close above, so we can use the nearest zone. But just for the ignorance, and I decided to take this zone, to take the trade here when it hasn't broken above. So that is the cause. I won't blame fully that is the cause, because I just decided to take the risk based on this and liquidity, and this is the nearest zone over here. And the main cause of this is just that I did not use confirmation entry, because if I have used confirmation entry after this, I should have been patient over here, because the full tank, no good slow down over here. I should have been patient and see that this market is really tanking heavily. So it's just like a falling knife, so it is very difficult to cash, and it is only confirmation that will settle you down and go into your direction that you expected as normal. So that is it, and let me go to the 15 minutes. Let's see how it look like. So this is it here, as you can see. The market social shift and liquidity, everything are completed, but just that there is no confirmation. So forwarded to today, as for the Euro USD, this is the loss, and let me quickly show you guys for the SAUSD. SAUSD, this is the loss as well. All are completed. My third lane are completed. The fifth confirmation are completed, and these are our supports. Other block here, it's also completed, but market just do its thing, and I know that this market will hit TP. Yeah, it will hit TP, but the market just followed Euro USD. If you can notice, this is the Euro USD. This is the Euro USD buy just now, which if I have used confirmation without entering aggressively, this is the confirmation trade, and just a snipe, this market is gone. I was not on the screen for this. I added alert, but the alert, once as I just saw the alert before entering inside trading view, it has updated up to this zone, and I can't do anything, and I keep finding confirmation over here. Though I saw one and almost sit for it to tap, it didn't tap, so I removed my set limit, and next thing I saw is this long candle, which I know that SAUSD will continue following it, but you should have retreated and continue selling. Right now the market has been calm, and that is why you see SAUSD is selling now, and hopefully I know that this market will hit TP, but it has already done its thing. And for this Euro USD that we missed, everything are completed. If you can notice, the market has related to the supports, which is the first thing, and we also have the market social shifts, which is it here, and this and support level again, which the market has reacted. Before I wake up, this is what I'm having here. So as I wake up, I just saw this pattern. I haven't seen something like from this side here. I haven't seen it, so I just saw this pattern rejected. So I know that market will most likely, after it's breaking 2 times over here, it will most likely come back to the support level and tap before buying continuation. Though this way I'm heading to before any sell. The trend is sell, normal we know, but I know the market will most likely get here before selling. So this is just a pullback to continue. So we'll just be waiting. If there is any good confirmation for continuation, I will get in. But for now, I'm off of the charts since I've already taken 2 SF for today. I'm off of the chart, so I'm just patiently waiting, and I will come down to analyze the chart. If there's any good entry, I will enter, but for now there is none, and we'll just be keeping waiting. And those on the SAS as well, I should be waiting for a good confirmation, maybe until the broken here. Then I will fully confirm that there's a market want to sell. Then I'll have my point of interest over here for the sell. So we'll just be patiently waiting, and I will update you guys how everything goes. We are just for a start of the week, and it's currently Tuesday, so we still have a good opportunity for this week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I'll update you guys, and for now, peace. So yeah guys, so it's good, and how is it going? Good morning for today, and currently it is Thursday, and if you can notice, I'm just waking up, sitting on my net. And this week, man, you can notice we have been skipping some days, because even the last time we made video was Tuesday, and the rest of the days we have not taken any trade, because the market just keep us messing us up, man, missing our entry, doing sort of kind of things that, bro, we have really missed a lot of trade that we should have recovered and been in profit, even past our account for real. But the market just do its thing, and based on this World Cup, market has been volatile, moving in some kind of way that you shouldn't be refining your trade so much. Do refine your trade, but not that much, because in just a twinkle of eye, you can just skip and boom, blast your TP. So let me quickly show you guys and break you guys down how everything has been going. But before I do that, I'll quickly do some kind things. I just decided to make this video if I get up today, and hopefully today went well. Though I've already analyzed yesterday midnight, and I got some pending on that, but I'll see how it look like. I've already opened the chart this morning, but it has not yet triggered, and I will let you know everything and how is it been going. Though you still remember, we have not traded our instant accounts, which that one is still pending, and also we still have the 5k 2-step account, which we are left with, I think 250 something about that, sure, because the balance is 4,750. Hopefully today goes well and we recover and pass the account. So I will update you guys and everything, how everything has been going with where we currently are. So for now, peace. So let's quickly break this trade down. And if you can notice, our last trade was this trade over here. This one. There's our last trade, which got a sell, and I told you guys that this trade must be sell, and you can see what happened after that. I know that the trade will sell just because of the high volatility and Euro USD pumping. I know that the market just wants to follow the trend at that moment before selling. Also, I spotted out my mistake. I should be finding and using this other block over here, not this one. This should stand as a liquidity. So market just do its thing. It depends on where sellers are more than where you are. So you should know that a lot of traders want to really sell for a lower price, and they want to really buy for a lower price as well. So they like cashing the opportunity when it is more lower. So that is how market was, and I just ignored, like, do my analysis, and that is what I thought this should stand as a liquidity and go for EM. So that just happened and do its thing. So we got this SL, and it played out briefly, as you can see, so that well. And now after that, I spotted this, which is this trade. Let me show you the before. If you can see, this is the before here. After that, this is the before trade here. So this is our buy entry. I take my time well to analyze this trade, analyze it, finish. What I saw is this. I waked up by it. I'm seeing this candle over here. If you can see the time, wait, let me hold this one moment. This is it here. If you can see the time, it is 8 as you can see there. So I wake up, this is the candle that is moving, approaching to my entry, and I just decide to calm, because no matter what, I've already learned this patience by calming down till it tap my entry. Because if I don't and I chased it, maybe enter from here, we just first, and the markets go down and maybe nearly close to my SM, once I go tap this SM and boom to my TP, I should be out, because I'm risking something. So I just have to be patient and let it do its thing. So as you can notice, for what the market did, it didn't tap the entry, and what's next? Market just keep tanking. Even boss like the resistance zone as well. So this is for SAUSD, man. He just decided to do his thing. Let's check 5 minutes. Let's see how this trade look like. It is pain, man, but we just have to move on. This is what we get when trading. You should be ready for this. If you are ready to refine, you should be ready for this kind of thing. So it is something that I expect that it can happen, because I want a lower rate of losing and higher rates of winning. So that's why I keep on refining, because a lot of traders would have been taking trade from here, thinking market has the confirmation, then market should come this other block. You understand? Things like all this, you see it's multiple times, then they should buy from me. They'll think it is the right thing, you want to buy, things like that. Then what market will do? Market will just come. Let me tap this. After coming, this is the entry the top market wants to buy from. What market will do? Think it is messing and leave them around. Some want to enter this place again. Market will just go bust their stop loss. Just a confusion, then come to the normal zone, give a normal rally move. Because why? This is just an engineer liquidity giving you a sign that market wants to buy, that zone should be valid. So you as a trader, what you have to do now is that you go for the fresh key level, not the unfresh key level. So me, I know the fresh key level, and you should also know the fresh key level as well. Candles like this, as you can see here, without a mitigation, it is a fresh key level. You should know it by now. This is also a fresh key level, which if I want to go for this other block as well, I should just use it. And if markets come as it has created here, I have my confirmation over here, I enter for the move. So always go for the fresh key level than the unfresh. You have to verify first to know the zone that is fresh and the one that is not fresh. So this is it for SAUSD. As you can see, I invented to hit my take profit. So see, what you should note is that if you are getting your stop loss, you are getting your entry, you should also get your take profits. If you can notice, all my take profits, after it hits, as you can see, it will reject, and there is most likely high chance it might pull back. Let's check another one. I think there was take profit around there. This is just for, let me just show you, just for educational purpose, based on what I have noticed so far. So this Euro USD. So this Euro USD, as you can see, after my take profit, there is most likely chance it will reject. As you can see, as it tap, it rejected and coming back. Based on why, I have known that markets move from key level to key level. So if you are buying from a key level, also target the key level. Know when market wants to reject. Know when there is high probability chance that market will sell from there if you are buying. So you shouldn't just target a random zone, like buy from here, decided to target up zone when you know that there is high chance of a good valid key level around this zone. So that is why you should always get a take profit level and go for it. Though my least take profit is 1/5, as you all know. This is, it was I call this is 7, you can see, which shall be back and with also extra profits. So this for SAUSD trade, and let's go for Euro USD. And 13 minute time frame, yeah. So this is for 30-minute time frame. If you can notice, our last trade is here, the essay that we got and the buy limit that was missed. We should go to play that briefly. And now we have been getting a good pending order here. So let me delete this. We have been getting a good pending order here. So I already did my confirmation on this trade. Let me quickly break it down. Let's go to the 4 daily time frame. So on this daily time frame, we are trading key level, support and resistance, confluence added to it. So now I already know from the weekly it has already been rejecting for a sell as normal, which I know this. So now a daily time frame, these are not close key level, if you can see. So it has already been rejecting here, and though it has rejected 3 times, which that zone is not that strong, you understand, it is on fresh, but I have a good confirmation there. That is why I'm trusted that zone. That is a good resistance. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame over here. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for confirmation, I'm looking for breakouts, and I'm looking for confluence added to it to make sure that that zone I'm taking this trade is correct. So we already know this is an resistance over here. Let me just tap here, support and resistance. As you can see, it is a valid point, mitigated so many times, though I can highly say that this zone has been on fresh, and there's most likely chance it will spike to the zone over here, this other block, and all this might turn to an liquidity imbalance to cover before the sell. But why I have this confidence of taking this trade is because this market has already given me a confirmation in the daily time frame, the 4-hour and the 1 hour. This market has already broke out this range that has been happening from here for so long. It has broke out and showed me that there is high chance of this market starting buying. And also I found out that it is rejecting this support level as well. So now let me make this straight. So now what I'm aiming for is that I know that this is where I should have been buying from. After refinement, this is what I find, but this is not what I'm going for right now. This is not what I want to talk about, because this trade might likely be till next week before it gets here, before we can talk about this. So right now we have a good trade line, as you can see, that has been rejected. Let me use 1 hour so to be clear. We have a good trade line that has been rejected over here. That's touch, and it has broken out. Now this is what I'm just waiting for it to retest and then boom to the downside. And right now this is a good order block, and I refined it. I think it is going to reject it from here. Let me check. Yeah, it is going to reject it from here. This is where I got this entry first, and it has tested that red line. This is where I got this entry first, but I'm ignoring that, and I decided to refine this entry to here because I believe this is an engineered liquidity standing here, deceiving some sellers that is so emotional and don't want to miss their trade, stacking their sell over there. And you should always know that markets will most likely come and clear out before selling. So market always like to sweep and make sure those that got the entry are just few. Those that got the trade are just few. You are trading against it. It doesn't want to go to your favor. Always know this. And I'm targeting this zone. Clear before the key level. I know that this is a previous key level that just got rejected, and I'm waiting to target it because we still have a good key level over here. The market will most likely come over. So going out from this, take profits here. Market might reject to this point, invert reverse before going down, because market don't just go rally move. You should know that it's always drop, go, drop, go, drop, go. So there will always be a pullback. So this is what I got for Euro as a trade. Let me go down to the 30 minutes and As you can see, it is clearly, it has broken this, make a good market structure sheet over here. As you can see, and this is another block clearly stated there, fresh order block, as you can see. So that is why I'm going for this trade. I will just be waiting, patiently waiting. This is currently Thursday. I hope this trade triggered today, not tomorrow, because tomorrow this might just tank and bust this entry over to this place, because it can do anything. So that is it. And let's see. So for SAUSD, this is what I'm currently having. After that buy, this is what I'm currently having. There is a breaker block here which the market is rejecting. I did not chase this trade just in this zone. I don't have to just chase this trade here. Wait, let me mark it out. Yeah, I don't have to just chase this trade here. You know why? Because there is a good zone that market will most likely come and fear. There's a QM, there's an fair value gap, imbalance, many things. So that block will most likely come and fear. You cannot just leave all this zone and just keep tanking. So I cannot just predict the market in that much way, but I know that taking trade there is just risky. Yeah, it's so risky that it doesn't accept and go to my trading plan, so I don't have to go against it. If it was that it's rejected to this zone, yeah, then I should have been waiting for confirmation, then boom, because that is the nearest support level. So this is it for SAUSD, and I will be waiting and analyze this trade here, maybe waiting for it to close. I think let's use the fair value gap, waiting for it to, yeah, in the 50%, waiting for it to come here, rejected, give me a confirmation, then we'll be waiting for a good rally move from here. The good confirmation. So that is it for Euro SAUSD, sorry. We'll just be patiently waiting. So at this point, that is the trade, and that is the trade updates for the past 2 days. And if you can notice as well, I'm just trading only that 3 pairs, and I've not been opening USD/JPY. As you can see, if you go to the chart now and you go and monitor USD/JPY, you can't even trade it, you can't even spot that. I think it's just because of this this World Cup that is currently going on, and also the Iran and US haven't signed the contract that they wanted to sign. And also for the past and the review that I have seen, I think if they didn't sign their contracts after the World Cup, the war will continue and it will really messed up. Yeah, the war will continue, and so we just have to keep on watching. Why I trade those 3 pairs, it's just because my trading system, I have monitored, don't get me wrong, I have backtested and I have reviewed multiple pairs. I'm someone that before I most likely trading 20, 13, so many pairs. If I come to the chart, I will open Euro/JPY, I will open Euro/AED, I will open EuroCAD, I will open USD, I will open GBP/USD. I have so many. Yes, I've traded so many pairs, but only these 3 pairs come out as the pairs that really go well with my system, because you can know I trade key level. And also what I found out is that when I started trading this 3 pair, I've become so many disciplined man. There's a lot of traders that can't go these past 2 days without taking any trade if they don't spot out their opportunity and their setup. So you should set a really good trading plan for yourself and go for it. Don't go against it. Don't just do because other traders are trading money to want to trade money. Sit yourself down, because you see this mentor is just there to just show you how the trading system work, how many things, give you some confidence and add you some kind of things for you to just go on your journey. They're just there to just cut your journey short, not help you in the time run. So you are there to help your own self. And after you got those knowledge, after you got those experience, that others don't get. You just have to sit yourself back, you versus the chart, and know what is working for you the most. What is working for you might not work for your mentor, and what is working for your mentor might not work for you. So take steps down and give yourself your trading system, your trading plan, and go for it. Obey your rules, and you find out you'll be in the right shape. So that is what I have noticed in the past years and since when I have been trading. And this trip has come out good. Though I'm trading certain, but currently I have paused it because maybe in the few days on I will still fund accounts to chase synthetic as well, but not at the moment. So right now I just want to scale up from the preferred accounts and get this challenge to go to the 200k challenge funded and get it done. So we just have to wait, enjoy the moment, and embrace it as well. There will be a lot of challenges in the journey. So right now we're currently in 5k instant fund. They are still unknown, and that account there will be guarantee for payout. So we don't know, anything can happen. So that's it for now, and we are currently waiting for the Euro USD and SAUSD trade. Let's see if it will go as planned, as we expected. So I'll catch you up in the next one, and I will update you how the trade went. Peace. Let's see. Yo guys, we are back again, and it is Friday, 2:30 p.m. New York session, and this is the end of the week, which remains this is the end of this video. I want to come down to walk you through, guys, what has been happening since yesterday Thursday, what happens on our trade update about it, and everything that has been happening. Don't forget, we are still having trading our 5k instant account, and I also get a 20k instant account, and this is just like a giveaway, which their rules is strictly as well, still a 30 days limit. So that is so messed up as well. So next week I will be working on it ASAP before that 5k instant. So I'll just work on that account, taking trade on it, and they also have 15% consistency rules, which I have to trade profitable for 7 days, particular amounts, so that will not exceed my best day. So you know how consistency rules works. So that is what I'll be facing again on the 20k instant account. So I did not put my mind on that because I like trading account that is unlimited, that I only own, and either I breach it or I make payouts from it. So that is it, and for that one we'll be working on it next week. So also for our account, I will show you guys my balance at this moment, because a big thing really happened that yesterday, which really paid me for it, but I don't go with my emotions. I just stay out and check what's the reason why, and then notice the reason. I also update people on TikTok and also on X as well, both my Telegram at it. But it is quite painful though, but we just have to move on. So let me quickly show you guys how the trade look like in the charts and what requires for that, because I have pending on that, but it has not yet triggered. So let's dive into the charts. So these are our charts here. As you can see, this is what we got the setup here for Eagle yesterday. This other block on the 30 minutes time frame. So guess what just happened now? Not now, yesterday. Is it? And the worst part is that I set limit on this trade. I did set limit so that I will not miss out, because I went to do something. So I don't want any stories about what has been happening, since you can notice I've been missing out so many trades. So I don't want those kind of results and those kind of experience again. So I decided to set limit on this. So don't me, I did not pay attention to the FOREX factory, and I was the one that is the first thing I always do every new week. I will first of all I post the FOREX factory news for the week, all the news for the week. I'll first of all post it in the Telegram. So it is what it is. This is what happened here, and what happened here is because the non-farm payroll, that is what is out, and some other news as well. So I did a video about it, and also let's check FOREX factory so that you can also see it. FOREX factory. FOREX factory, yeah. Let's see. Seems some network is slow here, man. Not here. Calendar. So that happened on the, let me edit this week. So from here to here, yeah, apply setting. Let's make it where is that? We have to filter it, yeah. Remove this, apply. So let it apply. So this is it here, as you can see over there. This is the news that was 1 p.m. as I'm just making that video. Before just in few minutes, if you can check the time of that video, you will see it in just few minutes. The news was out. You can see non-farm employment change and average hourly earnings with the unemployment rate. So these two tied up, and my zone can't hold it. So that's why I say that, you see, fundamental analysis, it is more important. Your technical analysis is more important as well, but technical analysis is just to figure out the place that wants to really move, place that the market wants to really buy from, want to really sell from. That's why if I have noticed this, I should have made search about it, and I should have caught the buy. Maybe we should have gotten an entry over here testing up this place. Yeah, you can see it. I know that we should have gotten this in just this time. As you can see, it is too fast. Let's remove this aside and put our buy. It is just a snipe entry. This should have just been a good trade, but I did not pay attention to the even 5 pips even worked it. I did not pay attention to the fundamental analysis, and it is my fault, which is normal. You can see 11 hours and more. Should have just targeted this high. Yeah. For this, okay, this should have moved past the account safe. So it is fine. We take our L and is it there? And this is the only trade we trade. After I noticed that there's nothing, the market just left with gap, so there's nothing about chasing or anything. I just ignored and I left it. thing today. So on the midnight, I opened my chart and started analyzing, which we got this entry over here, and it has not yet triggered. Though this is what I got in the midnight. Let me go to the 15 minutes. Yeah, this is where I analyze this trade. I go to the daily time frame, and I noticed that this trade should have rejected from here. This is where I want to sell, but it doesn't. It has already missed. And I go to the 4 hour and 1 hour, and I'm noticing this rejection over here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let it be clear enough. So this is it on the 1 hour. After this long rejection, it comes a trend line and a lot of confluence as well. So after that, I noticed that market has been broken itself 2 times here, 1 and then 2. So there's a chance this zone here will definitely hold. You should have been here, but I did more refinements. If you go to the 15 minutes, I think, and this is a good resistance zone, and then 5 minutes to be clear enough. So this is it. You can notice there is an order block, and it is too clear enough. If I have taken my trade here, just because of my experience, I did not set limit on this, so I decided to wait. So if we would have taken our trade here, target down, should have been running well by now, but I think me waiting for my confirmation, another confirmation, is still better. So we should have added and keep our SA here just 10 pips above, so we did not call that trade. So after this suggestion, now I have gotten a good confirmation here as well. We should go to the 1 hour. Sorry. So this is it. It's already rejecting, and this is a good resistance over here as well, which market has rejected. So this just stand as a liquidity for me after I refine the entry. If you go to the 30 minutes and 15 minutes, this is how the trade looks. You should know this kind of entry mode. It is a good, strong, fresh key level, which is still the same thing over here as well, but we missed this, and this is a good, strong key level completed with a trade line and more conflicts as well. So I'm just patiently waiting for this trade. This could just stand as our liquidity since it's broken 2 times as well. Yeah, as our liquidity, and we are good. So we're definitely patient about this trade. Euro USD, this is how it look like. It looks clean, but this market moving this way, hopefully it trigger today, because today is Friday, end of the day. So Monday might be shaky. Monday might come, since this look like most likely bullish, because this zone daily resistance have to be tested. So it is risky if it doesn't tap now and sell off. Monday you can see market will boom to the zone before rejecting for a confirmation to the downside. So that is just it what I have for you. And let's swipe to the good time frame. Before this, I'll show you guys the Ep.5 where we are currently. I think we only have 2 opportunities for that account to disappear. For anyone, 2 opportunities, because the daily the maximum data is 400. I thought it is 500, man. When I was saying we have 250 left, I noticed it is just 400, and our USD trade got us stopped at 60 something. We should have been 50 based on spread and high volume, so we got stopped at 60 something. So this is a USD trade, and let's quickly go to the daily time frame. Let's just see why I take this trade. I want to take the trade there because it has not yet triggered. This is a resistance zone, a good key level, fresh one, which market is testing and rejecting briefly well. And if you can notice, market has been soloing well, and this just look like come retest and create a new low as well. So go to the 4 hour. If you can notice as well, let me go to the day time and back so that you will notice something. So this is the daily time frame zone. This is the key level which we are looking for. We want to take trade from. Now if you swipe to the USD trade, see that same key level over here. This is the key level, but will you believe that this key level haven't been tested yet? this same key level here. It hasn't been tested, so that is why I'm getting high hope on EUSD will come back and tap that zone before selling. Let me show you. It has not been tested yet. As you can see, there is space there. So him and SAES are just the same thing, but for it not has been tested yet, it is high risky on that. So this is SAES trade, and let's go to the 30 minutes. Yeah, this is our trade here. After the rejection, we got a good resistance here, but I am ignoring this zone. Our liquidity is completed. I'm ignoring this because I'm going with my refinement to get lower risk to my asset and higher risk to my reward. So that is it. 15 minutes for it to be clear and 5 minutes. Yeah. My network is a bit slow, please don't mind me, forgive me for that. And this is, you know about KM, so this is and Q level here and here as well. So that is what I'm doing on this trade. If you can notice, it has really give me a good confirmation over here. There's no news today. I like trading in just this kind of section. No news at all. Market should just move briefly. I don't like those spike and things. This is a good imbalance, a good long imbalance. I expected market to come and fill. So that's why I'm targeting here, because here is a good key level. Remember what I talked about in yesterday video. If you are getting your SA, which is above the zone, you get your entry, you should also get your take profit. Know where market want to reverse, know where market will most likely reverse, maybe even get off your entry, and you started panicking. You can come touch here, retest to your entry, and maybe you now can set take profit here somewhere here, because I know people, they too like wrong RR, which they are ignoring where their take profit should be. So maybe you follow this procedure and the thing tapped, the thing come here, which is the right take profit, you should have put it, and market started to jetting and nearly to your entry. You most likely remove your entry because you think that you want to tap your SA and things. Maybe you can from there and then sold off. So those kind of feelings is not good for you. So you should always know where to put your take profits. So that is it for now, and I'll be waiting for this trade patiently for it to trigger. Once it triggered, I'll update you, and if you don't, I will come back and update you guys for the PNL and everything on what has been going on so far. Both our 20k accounts, as I've already told you guys, 20k stands funding. Next week I'll be trading that accounts, and we should go with it back to back and see what we got for it, because it is 30 days limit. We don't have to waste time for that. And this is it for the SAES trade. We should just be patiently waiting. So for now, peace. So guys, as you can see, it is Friday midnight. It's already midnight, and obviously we are done for the week, and this will be the end of the video regarding our trade, Euro USD and USD trade. Those trades keep our entry, and it is just Friday move, just selling little by little, and the volatility is not that high. So I'm hoping by Monday there will be a good reaction to the markets with high volatility. Hopefully, maybe after a reaction and a good confirmation, I'll enter the trade. Not my main entry, but after the confirmation I'll enter it, because our balance now is 4,000. I think 4,691, which obviously we only have $91 remaining for the account to be breached. So we should be handling that account strictly, because it is only 2 opportunities that we have left after 2 races, because my race is always 50 if you guys see on my track record, and we have only win once on that account, which is $250, and the race was lost. So that was fine, and we just have to move on. Right now I take all my plans and I followed it as it should be, and the market just decide and do its thing. So we just have to move on, and we only have 2 opportunities which we'll be going for next week, hopefully. So I will definitely make sure I go with quality than quantity. So any trade I'm taking, I fully confirmed it, and it is A+ setup. So that will be it for the next week, and for our 20k account as well. Regarding our PNL at first, this is our PNL as you can see here, and we have the 4,691, and also in our dashboard this is it here, and this is our remaining balance and the threshold as you can see there as well. And also for our 5k instance, as you all know, I've not touched it yet, which that is still our balance, unlimited accounts, still fresh, and I'm still waiting. So I'm still waiting on that account, and next week hopefully, if I don't pass it, if I don't pass this my 5,000 2-step account, then we'll be shifting to that. But before that account, I told you guys before that I bought a 20. I said I did not buy it. It is a giveaway account. So I want a giveaway account, 20k instant funding. We surely have limited 30 days. As you can see, this is the account here, 20k instant, and this is the dashboard as well, and everything you need to know about it. So this account, I'm also using MaxTrader for it. It's not MetaTrader 5, so I won't be fully taking you guys through like the trade updates about inside the MaxTrader, because it takes a little more stress, and on that account I don't want to waste my time fully on it, because it's only limited at 30 days. Just same thing like that got funded that happened. I ended up with a good profit, but what kills it is just that it is limited at 30 days. If not, we should have made a request for that account. So I don't want that same thing, I don't want that same delay. I just have to go for it. If it happens to my favor, then please withdraw. Then if it doesn't happen, I leave the account. That is just it, so that we can keep riding and get to our normal account and scale up from there. That is just the goal, and that is why we are here, to document, learn, and follow our plan, and also get to where we are going. Also, don't mind me as I'm sweating like this, man, because the time is currently 3-something a.m. I think so. So it is normal thing, which there is no light. I'm just using the torch on my phone to video this. So you can see this is it. So that is it. I have to make this video and post it. So that is just the post. And I thank you all for watching, because it is not really easy. I thank you all, and I hopefully make sure you guys learn from this video and impact yourself as well, to sort out some things and also make some adjustments, because we are here to learn together and also grow together and figure it out together as well. So thank you for watching, and I would like you guys to like, comment this post, and also share it as well, so we can get more audience and also get to the live streaming option, because I will wish to come to life and also make some trade ideas, talk to some traders with psychology part and those kind of stuff. That's gonna be fun there. So if you stay to the end and you're new to this channel and you don't know me yet, my name is Ep.5, and what I do there, I document on my journey, and we also learn together, educate together, and get to figure it out. So would also like you to subscribe on this channel and also turn on the notification so that you don't miss next video, and we catch you up in the next one. For now, peace.